So this is how you're going to create a text box that the text wraps around. So first of all, you're going to go to the frame tool and click on that and drag out an ellipse. And then you're going to go to the type tool and you're going to click and hold to get type on a path. And then you're going to drag that over onto the line of your frame and then hover it over that line and you'll see a little plus mark come up in the cursor and I'm going to click and then that's going to put my cursor on that line and I can type my artist name. I'm going to press Command A to select all the text and then bump the size up to 72 so that you can see it a little bit better. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my black arrow, I'm going to select the frame, and then I'm going to go to type on path, options, and then I'm going to click the little box that says flip. And now you'll see that it's flipped it to the place where you would want it to be. And then I can click OK. Now if I wanted the word to show up in a different part of the circle, like maybe down at the bottom or something like that, I can use my arrow tool to drag the place where now it's loaded that text into my cursor. I'm just going to press escape to get that out. And then I can hover over that line. Just, I guess you have to hover over it at the lowest point here. And then now I can see that there's a line with an arrow coming out of it at my cursor. And I can drag that wherever I want it to be, and that's how my text will show up there. And that's how you can do it. And I would suggest just doing it for yours all on one line. And so you would do artist name, title, and date, and medium all on one line. And then use the black arrow to move that around wherever it is that you want it to be. Okay, and what I would actually recommend doing is taking the circle that the image is in, copying and pasting that so that you have the exact same curve of the circle as the one that the image is in, so it'll mimic the edge of that circle or ellipse quite nicely. And that's how you can create type on a path and put it so that it's on the inside of the path instead of the outside.